Welcome back to Animated Korean. How you guys have been? Today's lesson is about how to conjugate verbs in present tense. In Korean, there are many different speech levels, but we will look at the most common speech level that we use in our daily life, which ends in yo sound. Like the word 안녕하세요, hello, also ends in yo sound. In order to conjugate verbs in any speech level, we have to first get rid of the ta from the infinitive, which always ends in ta sound. Just for your information, infinitives are the basic form of verbs. Let's take a look at some of the infinitives that we have. 가다, to go. 먹다, to eat. 자다, to sleep. 주다, to give. 하다, to do. 보다, to see, etc. As you can see, they all end in ta form. So let's take that out. After that, what is left is called the verb stem. So this is where you have to look closely. If the verb stem's last vowel, I'm saying last vowel in case the verb has more than 2 syllables, anyway, ends in o or a sound, we put ayo at the end. Let's take 가다, for example. Get rid of the ta at the end, and then we see the verb stem's last vowel is a a sound, so we put ayo. But because the same vowel a sound already exists, we can drop a and make it into 가요. Let's look at another example, 자다, to sleep. What do we have to do first? Yes, get rid of the da at the end and see if the verb stem's last vowel ends in either o or a sound. This one again ends in a sound, so we can simply just add yo at the end. How about this one? 오다. Get rid of the da at the end and put ayo since the verb stem's last vowel ends in o sound. So now we have to put o and a together, and it eventually sounds like 와요. Now, if the verb stem's last vowel is not o or a ending, which are a, u, I, etc., then we'll put 어요. Take 먹다 for example. 먹 ends in a vowel a sound, so we put 어요. So altogether it'll be 먹어요. 먹어요. Another example would be 주다, to give. So what do we have to do first to find the verb stem? Yes, drop the da at the end and see if the verb stem's last vowel ends in o or a sound. Otherwise, we just simply add 어요. So now, if we put 주 and 어요 together, it'll be 좋아요. 좋아요. Since u plus a is a compound vowel wa sound. Alright, good job. And now we have what we call 하다 verbs. Any verbs that end with 하다, we put 여요 to it, but eventually it'll become 해요. Take 사랑하다, to love, for example, which is simply conjugated as 사랑해요. 사랑해요. Practice time. Let's make some sentences with the verbs that we conjugated. Here are some words that I prepared for you. 가다, to go. 학교, school. 에, to. So, what do we have now? That's right. 저는 학교에 가요. Perfect. Another one. How do you say I eat pizza? The word for pizza is 피자. And the word for to eat is 먹다. That's right. 저는 피자를 먹어요. Okay, so now we have the last one. I study Korean. The word for to study is 공부하다. Remember? 하다 verb? So, the word for Korean is 한국어. So, what do we have now? 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. Good job for today! Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll be back with another video next time, so see you later!